Hello boys, are you ready? Today we are going to practice again just the sounds of the Alef Beis letters, but now that we're starting to get better at it, we are going to see how quickly we can do it. We are going to have ourselves a race, and I want you all to do this for your homework, and when you are finished, you're going to send me a voice note, or your mom can type me a message, or you can send me a video, and you're going to say in the video, Mora adjusted all my Alef Beis letters and this is how long it took. And you're going to tell me how many minutes and how many seconds it took to do just the sounds of the letters. It is tricky because we are thinking the name and saying the sound. Thinking the name and saying the sound. And this is how you are going to do it. You're going to have your timer ready. You can ask your mom to time it on her phone, or you can ask your brother to time it on his watch, or if you have a watch that you can time it on, and this is how we're going to do it. On your marks, get set, go. B, the, g, d, h, v, z, ch, t, y, k, k, h, h, l, m, n, s, p, f, t, k, r, sh, s, t, s, time. And then they're going to stop timing, and then you'll say to them, how long, how was it, how quick was it? And they'll tell you how many minutes and how many seconds, and then you're going to send it to Mora. And I will give you a high five from my house all the way over to your house, and I'll say well done. So are you ready to practice? Let's do one last practice round before you do it at home for real. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go. B, v, g, d, h, v, z, ch, t, y, k, k, h, h, l, m, n, s, p, f, t, k, r, sh, s, t, s, and stop the clock. Well done. And I can't wait to hear how long it took you. Excellent boys. Have fun. See you soon.